Jokanyo manie pinje Afrika koro dwani mondo mi omany yore mag nyalo yudo godo omuom e kindgi giwegi mar bero chenro mag thieth kod gayo landruok mag tuoche ma ok mana rito sir mawuok e pinje maoko. E romo mane obagi Mombasa mane okelo kanyakla jogo mantiere sekta mar thieth e pinje Afrika, jatend migawo mar thieth e pacho ka Dibora Baraza okone gisechako timo nonro mar yango bede migepe mabiro bedo kod ng'ikruok kendo kawo okang' mowinjore. Magi timore sechegi ma bende koro pinje mag Afrika twak ewi kaka ginyalo bero sekta mar thieth e yor rakore gi tuoche masieke kindgi kod rango yore mag gayogi.
With regards to US government and what was given as an executive order. So as the Ministry of Health, I have tasked the various state departments so that we can be able to map out and look at the impact in matters finances, in matters human resource, etc.
This is also an opportunity for us to really find a way to begin to mobilize resources domestically, because you cannot talk of air security without health financing. So this is critical, and given what is happening at the political space globally, so this is an opportunity to elevate the issue of health financing to the highest political level on the continent.
We invest in systems that support digitization of healthcare systems across hospitals across the country, enablement of community health workers, where critical data and early detection and early awareness is important.
We all know the environment we are in, the context we are in, so it's critical to strategically think about ways of mobilizing resources, securing resources to make sure that our health challenges are addressed. And research and development, also a critical subject for our sub-region.